Hello everyone, welcome back to Victor's Analytics Hub. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to combine cells in Microsoft Excel. So I have my first name and my last name here. And I want to combine these two cells together, to make a full name. I'll be showing you how to do that. I'll be using 4 different examples. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the flash fill now. So with the flash fill now, all I have to do is just to write the first name and the last name in a single cell. After doing this, Excel already recognizes a pattern here. So I can do one of two things. I can either come down the second cell and start typing the second name. Since Excel already knows that I want to merge these two cells together, it has already started giving me suggestions. So I can hit enter, or since I know Excel already recognizes a pattern here, so I can hit Control E, to flash fill everything together. Okay, so the next way you can combine cells in Excel is with the ampersand. And for you to do this, you need to write a formula using the and symbol. So I'm going to show you. So to start a formula in Excel, you always need to use the equal to symbol. So I'll hit my first name, hit my and symbol, my last name, sorry. Okay, now there's a problem here now. There is no space in between Sophia and Wiley. So for me to create a space in between these two, between the first name and the last name, I need to come here and add my quotation, give space, add another quotation, add another and symbol. So what this quotation in between this and symbols simply means is give space between the first and the last name. Okay, so I hit my enter. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to combine cells using a concatenate function. So okay, see here are the arguments asking for my text. This is my first text, my text 1, and this is my text 2. I close my brackets. I'm going to face a very similar problem that I faced with this one. Okay, so let me hit enter. There is no spacing. That's because I didn't indicate a spacing when I was writing a formula. So what I have to do here is to let me clear everything again. I'm going to make space my text 2. So for me to do that, I need to add my quotation, this space, add my quotation again. Then for my text 3 has to be my last name, and I close my bracket. Okay, and I drag it down. Okay guys, so for my next example, I'm going to show you how to combine the first name and the last name using Power Query. So for me to do that, I need to first of all create a table because I want to import from table range. There are various ways of creating a table. You can either select your range, head over to insert and insert table. Yes, my table has headers. Or you can select the range, then hit Ctrl C. Okay, now so let me head over to Power Query from table. Okay, now so I'm in Power Query and one of my columns has already been selected. So I'm holding down Shift now to select the last name. There are various ways of merging columns in Power Query. I can right click and click on merge columns, or I can come over to transform. Then hit merge columns. Now it's asking for my separator. Now I want to use a space. Then I want to give my new column a name. So I'll write full names. Full names. Okay, so I'm going back to Excel. It's going to create a new worksheet for me. Okay, so guys, I was only able to show you, I'll give you 4 examples on how to combine cells in Excel because I'm using Microsoft Office 16. But there are very other ways you can combine cells in Microsoft Excel. You just have to explore. So that's it guys. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Until my next video.